you got down. Hey, still keyed up. Right there, make it still slow. Hey, First Sergeant, you got that hammer down. First Sergeant, you got that hammer down. Can I get on driver, Biltmore Mill, 5 ball, San Diego Cal, and a getaway driver, Biltmore Mill, 5 ball, rifleman, oh, bro, you got your damn mind. I'm not passing that fire. Take care, oh, bro, Switchblade, bye. Boys on low. Come on, buddy, double on, 25, in the nose, you bite. He still keyed up. He's trying to pass a 5 on you. He still keyed up. You said, hey, Ron, you said just tell him you got the mole on. Hell, he know you got the mole on because I'm talking to my damn radio and not who I know. Hey, Ron, hey. You said that's the cactus patch. We got all mine that took at me. And Ralph says too. Cut the radio slap off, 5 ball. Hey, 5 ball, you cut the radio slap off, man. Hey, 5 ball, you cut off everybody's radio. 5 ball. Keep down shorty. 312, Greenwood, Mississippi City. Oh, break. 5 ball, I can't believe you cutting them boys off in the mobile, man. Hey, Roll Rock, let your people go. Hey, Roll Rock, Mr. T-Bird said, let your people go. Roll Rock, Mr. T-Bird's clear, got down. Put it down on you later, Roll Rock, just got down. Hey, Roll Rock for a quickie. I'm 10-7, 5 ball. 5 ball, I'm 10-7 on next. Yeah, you might have a problem here and there, give over. 5 ball, Mobile, San Diego Cal. Yeah, all right, good afternoon to you, Roll Rock, I'm out. Now, this is me out here in the Magnolia, working this world I trust, so look at this Cali. 809, Switchblade, Wolflake. 809, Switchblade, Switchblade, Wolflake. 809, Switchblade, Wolflake, Blade, Wolflake. 809, Switchblade, Wolflake, break off. Hey, you got rough in my time, nigga, man. They tell me got some in my radio, but I can't talk to him. I can't talk to him. 809, I said, Switchblade, Wolflake. 809, I said, Switchblade, Wolflake. Switchblade, Wolflake, 809, break off. Squad. With no condition is gone. Got down. 809, do me some T-Bird and favor. Tell old Switchblade and T-Bird out to duty. 809, tell my friend Switchblade and T-Bird out to duty. 809, T-Bird got down. Hey, Doc Adam, you got condition, man. Hey, Doc Adam, shooter in Beaumont, Texas. Hey, you got condition, man. Come on, Doc Adam, sounding real good coming around. Good afternoon, right back at you there, Kimbo. Good copy, good rockin' daddy. Good rockin' daddy. Good afternoon to you. Been a long time, my friend. Mr. Good rockin' daddy, Mr. T-Bird Station got down. I couldn't understand a cotton man thing. I'm gonna read him, man. I couldn't understand nothing. Switchblade said, 809 is my friend. Hey, it's 5 ball. 809 is my friend. I don't want to really get into that, but I'm going to repeat what you said. It's 809. Hey, you had to do that. Wolf, you had to do that. Hey, Wolf, you had to do what you did that time.
Like I heard the big call. Hello, Seven. Hey, Seven, big call. The man.
Hey, Roadblock, I'm not going to tell that man. Man, sound like a plane crash. I was trying to speak to my friend Big Wolf, but Big Wolf ain't got no copy on Switchblade. Take your phone, man. I'm already counting. Switchblade, Wolf, wait, got dog. 766 in Northern Cal, Mr. T-Bird broadcaster station in the Razorback. 766 in Northern Cal, T-Bird break. Paycheck told me on the telephone. I told Paycheck you been kicking ass, Camille. Excuse me. Take your pony later, Big Wolf, Switchblade, Wolf, wait, got dog. It's been a long time, Captain Nigga. Hey, 766, it's been a long time, man, but Captain Nigga, Mother Nature ain't trying to do good on you. That's a Captain Nigga show, man, but I'm going to say how to do it to you because you might have the same problem I'm having. 766 in Northern California, Mr. T-Bird broadcaster station in the Razorback is getting down.
766. Oh, matter for me and working it up, no.
Can you hear me one more time? What you mean you call him Big Mama? Hey, Roadblock, you said call 766 Big Mama, they call. Surely one of them Jane boys below this car is waving.
Be down and get some duck-legged mother.
You hear it talking to me, so I ain't gonna roll on 10-5 though. I heard him out there, he spoke to me, man, but he ain't got the condition. Take a look at Roadblock. I heard what you say, no doubt about it. Some badass James boys below their car. 5 ball, can you hear me? Here comes 766. Switchblade, here comes 766. Switchblade, Wolf Lane, Blade, Wolf Lane, Blade, Wolf Lane, here comes 766. Wow, Switchblade, Wolf Lane, 766. Switchblade, what's up? Hey, Big Wolf, he said, can he get it back? Hey, Big Wolf, he asked me, can I hear him, and can he get it back? Hey, Big Wolf, now I'm not going to tell that man nothing I hear him. Big Wolf on the coast, one of them James. Man, I couldn't understand no more, but Roadblock and then I heard Kid out shot afterward. Roadblock and Kid out shot it. Good Lord have mercy. No comment, no contact. 766. Switchblade, Wolf Lake, 10-7.